Now we've got another one. It was the fifth root of 243. Okay? Now, what we have to know, this isn't a law of exponents, this is the definition of radical notation. There's no radicals in the laws of exponents. Okay, but there's this simple connection that the nth root of a number is equal to that number to the 1 over n power. It's because the nth root is the number you would multiply by itself n times in order to get this number. Well, if you multiply a to the 1 over n by a to the 1 over n, do that n times, then you get a to the 1 over n plus 1 over n and so forth, and that turns out just to be a to the 1. And that's the reason this works, but right now we're not going to worry too much about that, although we'll want to reinforce that a little later, okay? That's a definition. So you can kind of add that. It's not a law of exponents, but it's a connection of the law of exponents to radical notation, okay? Radical can always be written in terms of exponents. And that's the way I want you to work on them right now, because you're not completely secure on the laws of exponents. You recognize them when they're used, okay? But you need to be writing things out one step at a time so that you get so used to them that they become natural, okay? Okay, well, anyhow, so you did the prime factorization, you did that fine. That's 3 to the 5th. So this is the fifth root of 3 to the 5th, right? Now at this stage, we don't need magic, we don't need superstition. All we need is to write this in the form of exponents so that we see what we've got and we can apply the laws of exponents, right? Now if you know what a fifth root means, then you can kind of bypass that, but I don't want you to do that until you're totally secure with the laws of exponents. Okay, so that's like 3 to the 5th then, raised to the 1/5, because the nth root of a is a to the 1 over n. That means the fifth root of whatever you're doing is that thing to the 1/5. Right. So there it is. And now we know that that's 3 to the 5 times 1/5, which is 3 to the 1, which is 3. There's our answer. Okay? So the laws of exponents are only 5 of them, or so, depends on how you decide to list them. Okay? If you think of division as multiplication by reciprocal, that's one less. But you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so those 3 examples should show you everything you need to do these. Although there are always little twists that you're going to often need somebody to help you through. That's why we're here. Okay?